Good afternoon, Standard 8, Subject English. Today we learn lesson number 1.4, Miss Slippery, part second, remaining part of the lesson. On page number 20, listen carefully. At first I read it. Excitement made my face flush red hot to the ear tips. Never before had anyone lavished love on me. Thus and here was my teacher who had spontaneously accepted me as a sister, a friend. I was beyond myself with joy. I wanted to chuckle, to burst into near hysterical laughter. On being fit, I ran to my class. Soon I was lost in a reverie. I forgot that I was sitting in a class of all girls whose prime pastime was teasing me. During the break, the water bottle that I was drinking from fell on me, and I got fully drenched. Right in front stood my Aunt Chanda, laughing away on their heart's content. Chanda teased from the slippery hand of Slippery. The slippery bottle went sleep, sleep, and now let's watch the fun, said Veena. I was squeezing the water out of my wet frock. Remembering the teacher's words, I turned my back to them and ignored them completely. They were nonplussed and went away. I sensed a feeling of victory. Before the school closed for the day, the teacher came to the classroom again and said to me, from today you are going to responsible for bringing the register, chalk and duster every morning. Come, take this key, carry these notebooks to the teacher's room, count them and keep them in my drawer. Ask the peon to show you my drawer. My otherwise trembling legs were now filled with some miraculous strength. I rushed enthusiastically and completed the assigned job in a jiffy. When I placed the key on the teacher's table, she looked at me and smiled. I smiled back. I was thrilled from top to toe. I felt my little heart inflate with pride. I found no awkwardness in moving about in my still wet frock, nor was there any trace of fear while returning home. Now, listen carefully. Excitement made my face flush. Means I was very excited, joyful, happy, and red hot to the ear tips. Never before had anyone love on me. Thus, there was my teacher who had accepted me as a sister, a friend, and I was fully with joy. I wanted to chuckle, to burst into near uncontrolled laughter. So, on winged feet, I ran to my class soon, and I was lost in a dreamy sleep. I forgot that I was sitting in a class of wild girls whose prime pastime was teaching me. During the break, the water bottle that I was drinking from fell on me, and I got full drenched. Right in front stood my Aunt Chanda. They were laughing away on their hearts, and Chanda teased from the slippery hands of Slippery. The slippery bottle went sleep, sleep, sleep. And now let's watch the fun, said Veena. So this girl teased Sai, but Sai was squeezing the water out of her wet frock, and remembering the teacher's word, she turned her back to them and ignored them completely, and they were confused and unable to react and went away. Then she sensed a feeling of victory. Means she did not think about the girls. And before the school closed for the day, the teacher came to the classroom again and said to Saili, "From today, you are going to be responsible for bringing the register, chalk, duster every morning and other things also." So she said, "Come, take this key. Carry these notebooks to the teacher's room, count them, and keep them in my drawer. And you know that where is my drawer? So you ask the peon to show you my drawer." And so she followed all these instructions very happily, and her trembling legs were now filled with some magical power, strength. Then she rushed enthusiastically and completely the assigned job within no time. And she placed the key on the teacher's table, and she looked at me. Means teacher looked at Saili and smiled, and Saili smiled back also. So Saili was filled from top to toe, and she felt her little heart fill up and enlarge with pride, and she found no an uncomfortable feeling in moving about in her still wet frock, and nor was there any trace of fear. While returning home, she was very happily. So complete this lesson here, and you read by heartily again and again. Next period I will give you a passage on this part.